Alright, XG tape, still hot. JURIN's time. Oh, I can't wait for this one, yo. We already know XG, super talented. Great rappers too, great singers. They're just talented overall dancers. Like, they are that group. Let's be honest, they are that group. Before we start, I do want to say I do have a Patreon. Be sure to check out the link in the description. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. And without further ado, let's get into this. I'm curious myself.
Dad, are you sure you know what you're doing?
What? Wait.
Dad, are you sure you know what you're doing?
That's literally the beginning. You say daddy?
Dad, are you sure you know what you're doing?
She got them red glasses on with them pearls and necklaces with that hair. That skirt, oh my god, this man with the pink boots. Woo!
What's really then hip hop?
Ooh.
Call it what you want. X pop stirring up the pop. Woo, standing on some business down on my 10 toes.
Whoa, wait, okay, first of all, let me, I don't know, listen, I tried to hype it up, the last word was toes, that me saying the last word toes, like it's some hype shit, that felt weird to me, let me choose a different word, let me choose,
standing on some business down on my 10 toes.
10,
Ooh. I don't want no beef unless it's cold baked great. And while you process it, I keep it raw. No kayfabe. They talking way out of pocket, out of the unpaid grade. Go ahead and get it off your chest, but you ain't no shake.
Hey.
Too rare with a clarity, top integrity.
Ooh, girl, pop off.
And I always decide for the beat, no rap parody. My level be extraterrestrial, so tread carefully. Still hot, still got the fire flame flavor, can't stop.
Hey.
Stop. You're in a real problem on the mic. Blast off when I rock it. I am 5'9", but this little giant knows what's really then hip hop.
Hey.
Still getting hotter. Must be a hard pill to swallow. Cause I'm hard to follow. So don't bother.
Damn! Wow, that felt too short, bro. That felt too short. Hold on, repeat. Get it. Still hot. That's such a flex. Last time I checked, I'm still hot.
Blast off when I rock it. I am 5'9", but this little giant knows what's really then
hip hop.
Call it what you want. X pop stirring up the pop.
Whoa.
Standing on some business down on my 10 toes. Is walking out in for scary. That room about to raise a roof. I don't want no beef unless it's cold baked great.
I don't want no beef unless it's Kobe grade. Basically, your type of beef that you trying to beef with me, not my level. Basically.
And while you process it, I keep it raw. No kayfabe. They talking way out of pocket, out of the unpaid grade.
They talking way out of pocket, out of their own pay grade, bro. Your pay grade is not high enough for me to talk to you.
Go ahead and get it off your chest, but you ain't no shake. Ha. Too rare with a clarity, top integrity. Graduated with pedigree. Get them shook and settling. And I always decide for the beat, no rap parody. My level be extraterrestrial, so tread carefully. Still hot, still got the fire flame flavor, can't stop. Won't stop. You're in a real problem on the mic. Blast off when I rock it. I am 5'9", but this little giant knows what's really then
hip hop.
Still getting hotter. Must be a hard pill to swallow. Cause I'm a hard to follow. So don't bother.
Damn, you got me up and just I'm woken up. Put a comment down below what you guys think of XG tape number 4. JURIN still hot. I like it when they do these things. It gives us like a little, it's basically some extra, and basically it's just like prepping us for what's coming up. Like we want more. It's a great way of just like, and showcasing their talent, especially too. Big up XG. Again, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Your boy got a Patreon link in the description. Become a free member today. Boy JRE from Jrekml. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.